Here we have a nice slab here. We're just going to be trimming it off square, docking it off into 450mm sections. Nice and easy, obviously, with our rail selection. Got an 800, 14s, depending on what size you've got. We're obviously connected up to our dust extractor to show you how clean the workspace can be. And also with our innovation, with our splinter guards, show you how clean a cut we can get in one go as well. All right, so we've set our depth. We've put on our dual-sided splinter guards. Although this is just going to be an off-cut piece, it just shows the innovation to be able to get a quality cut on both sides. So we've got our dust extractor hooked up. Alright, so as we are now changing from an on-the-table cut, we want to readjust our depth of blade. One of the unique features with our saw is actually a dual reading for your depth of blade. It's going to show us what our depth is on a guide rail and off a guide rail. Just making life a little bit easier in case you are doing a freehand cut. You know exactly how deep you're going to go. Beautiful. To try and make your projects easier, cleaner, get a better quality finish, and all around make it a safer job.